Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn on how to make an aesthetic Notion template. So let's say we're going to planning to make a weekly planner. So we're going to type in weekly planner. So let's start this off quickly, shall we? So first, since it's a weekly planner, this is going to be a 7-day thing. So let's start with, we're going to type in /column and then we're going to select five columns. So it might be hard for you to see how many columns there are. So that's why would be much easier if you select the dots right here, the 6 dots here, and then you select color. After that, you can pick any color you want. For right now, I'm thinking green. Yeah, let's pick green. And look, that looks kind of green. Now we're gonna change this one. Let's pick yellow. Now in this one, we're gonna pick color red. After that, this one, we're gonna select the color purple. And this one, we're gonna select color blue. Okay, now we have that. So now we're just gonna type Monday and Friday. And below here, we're gonna do this, press enter. Just press enter on everything here, so you don't have to repeat making the 5 columns again when you're on the next block. Right here, we can just continue. I'm just gonna press slash and then select the to-do list right here, and there we go. So now I'm gonna type task 1, and this one I'm do the same as well. But you know what? To make things easier, let's continue to do this one. Let's copy this and paste. This is like a technique that I use a lot, making templates for weekly planners. So yeah, just do that. Just press, after you copy these ones, just press Control and V, and it's gonna paste. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, let's copy that whole thing, press 2, and then paste, and then press 3, paste, 4, paste, and we're just gonna do this until we reach 5, and there we go. After that, we're gonna select all of these 5 tasks of checkboxes, copy that, and then we're gonna click here and then paste it, and there we go. Easy. So you don't have to do one by one all over again. It's gonna take a lot of time. So you're gonna paste it again and again. Easy. Okay, now what's left is we're gonna duplicate this one as well, and then we're gonna bring it down here. You can also duplicate this one. Okay, so we're gonna duplicate this one as well, and then we're gonna move it right around here. Okay, and then below here, we're gonna add a calendar. Let's add a calendar. I'm gonna add a new database instead. Let's say activity planner. So there, we're gonna move it right beside here on the right. Oh, not there. Definitely not there. I'm gonna move it on the right. It's quite hard since this is a huge. Or you know what? Let's just put it down here. That looks good enough. Okay, so we're gonna rename this and type it as Saturday. This one, we'll rename this and type it as Sunday. We're gonna change this color. Click right here. Change this color to, let's say, maybe we could put orange. Yeah, there's different color right there. And now this one, we change this color into, let's pick pink. Yeah, pink looks good. There you go. So now we're just going to do is just press enter right here and then paste it. This one as well. Enter, paste. There's the 5 text again. It doesn't look like there's so much space right here. I'm gonna backspace there so it can make it closer. But for this one, yeah, there, I add some space right there. Okay, there. So now we have the 5 tasks. You can also add some cover on top here, by the way. Maybe some icons right there. Let's add some covers that. Let's change the cover. Pick some image. What we're gonna pick? Maybe since it's like a mixed color. Let's pick something like this. Yeah, this looks fine. Yeah, this looks fine. It's like a bit of a colorful gradient right there. Now, since it's a checklist, we're gonna pick an icon, even an emoji. I don't know if there's an emoji for checklist though. Let's try. Let's see. Check. I get this one might work. What if you pick this one? Oh, yeah, this one looks good. This one is good. It doesn't blend too much with the gradient blue behind there. So now, yeah. So now it looks like this is just it. But if you want to make it look more creative, let's use Indify. Indify is a third-party API that can be used for various ways. Like you want to add a good calendar, or maybe weather updates, or maybe add quotes, or even the countdown, and so on. There's so many things you can use for this. So right now, what we're going to use is a weather. Let's add a weather there. So that every time we look into our weekly planner, we can check on the daily weather as well. So let's say daily weather, or even let's type in current weather. Now it's gonna load in. Okay, now we can select which country you're not. For now, I'm just gonna leave it to San Francisco in US, and I'm gonna leave it to right there. You can change the location and the preferred units for how the heat and stuff. So, but I'm gonna stick to Imperial. Number of days, I'm gonna stick with 7, because since we have 7 days, Monday to Friday and then Saturday to Sunday. That's, and then an icon, leave it there. Grayscale icon. Let's see. That doesn't look good. We're gonna not go to grayscale and let it stay colorful like there. So then we're gonna add some color in the background. Which color? So let's say we're gonna make it some little white. So we're gonna pick a bit of gray there. Not too good. Not too good. How about sunny yellow there, bright yellow? Kind of nice, kind of nice. Maybe blue is nicer. Let's try blue, like a little light blue there, soft blue. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice. But it's too dark, Let's change the color and maybe make it brighter. And there we go. That's doesn't look much good, to be honest. Let's see with this one. There we go, much nicer. So the text color, we stick with that. And after we're done with the adjustments, we're just gonna press copy right here, which is like a clipboard symbol. Just click right there. Just left click there, and then go back to our Notion page. Oh, by the way, when you change the icon right here, it also affects your page right here. See that on your web browser? It also affects that icon there. Okay, now after we're done with that, we're gonna add a weather. So with that, I'll press enter on the title. I'll press embed to paste the code. So paste there. And now it's gonna process the link, and there we go. That's our weather updates. We can do some adjustment maybe it's too big, so we're gonna make it a bit shorter right there, and done. There we go. Okay, what else want to add? Let's try adding. So now we have the weather for the current updates, from Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday and stuff. So now let's see. How about quotes? Let's add some quotes as well. Make it a little more, bit more warmer. Make the weekly planner a bit more, has a worm inside, has a willing worm inside. So every time you look at the planner here, you see quotes and you feel motivated to continue your day. So let's add that. Let's add that. So you say motivational quotes. So you try that. Type that in. Wait for that quote to load in. Now we can see the preview here. That's an sample of what quote will show up. It won't just show one quote. This quote will change every single day. Depends on the uploader, the quote maker, the uploads. So right here we can change on which account you want to use. Maybe you want to pick good quotes. So right here you see each Australian account that makes quotes of the day have different styles. Like this one, RMDRK, they make this kind of quotes and with this kind of style. Sometimes they make the same kind of quotes, but the difference is the way they make them, what styles, or in terms of design, I mean. So how about we stick with quotes? Let's stick with this one, the positive mindset daily, because I have some images behind it as well. So I'm going to hide the fresh icon right here. So I'm going to leave it right there. Background color. Now we're not going to set background color. Show hover menu. Like appearance. We're just going to leave everything as that. There's not much settings to do. So we're just going to copy this link right here. And then go back to our Notion page. And just like the image right here, which is like our weather, we're going to do is just press /embed. Oh, hold on. Okay, /embed. Hold on. So what we're going to do right here, just press / and then embed. Click embed right here. And then paste our link. Embed link. And there we go. And it's loading in. There we go. And that's our motivational quotes. Can do some adjustments as well. Maybe you want to make it square. Let's make it square. It's a bit hard. Oh. So it's like certain sides were automatically adjusted, so it's hard to make it perfectly square. Maybe it depends on the designs of the images and stuff. For now, we're just gonna let's move it to this side instead. I don't know if we can. There we go. We can. So we'll move it on that side. And then let's try to bring it up a bit. Make it perfectly square. And there we go. So now it is done. So this is our weekly planner. It doesn't look that good, but this is a tutorial on how we can make your design more aesthetic than just a typical and more plain design. You just need to add some colors, think of creative ways to make it seem more stunning through designing. So we have the tasks that we can do, our daily tasks or weekly tasks that we can add. We have the weather updates that we can see. We have motivational quotes that we can look at and read every single day that changes daily. And we can also check our weekly planner, our activity planner, so you can easily make some changes or check on what activity that might occur on the next day and so on. So you can easily keep up to date on whatever you do. So, and that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this very long tutorial. And if you do, then please drop a like and leave a comment if you have any more questions. For now, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.